Hello everyone, welcome back to FORnSEC Solution. In today's video, we are going to explore Dmitry tool. Dmitry Deep Magic Information Gathering Tool, a Unix GNU Linux command line program coded purely in C with the ability to gather as much information as possible about the host. Dmitry has a base functionality with the ability to add a new function. Basic functionality of Dmitry allows for information to be gathered about a target host from a simple whois lookup on the target to uptime report and TCP port scan. The application is considered a tool to assist in information gather when information is required quickly by removing the needed to enter a multiple command and the timely process of searching through data from multiple sources. To get straight into Dmitry without reading this document, you can initially type Dmitry target. This will perform the majority of function on the target. Let's download the tool from GitHub. Now we are click on first link, then we are copy the code and paste to the terminal. Enter. Now git clone return, write down git clone and copy the link. Enter. And now Dmitry -h, enter. So in this we can see -n receive a netgraph.com information on a host and -f perform a TCP port scan on a host showing output reporting filter ports. In this helps. Let's take an example. Dmitry demoblaze.com, enter. In this, getting a whois function information for demoblaze.com and also gather a subdomain information from demoblaze.com and gather a TCP port from information from a IP address. Now wait for a 1 minute. You can use more option to explore this tool like -s and more. -s perform a search for possible subdomains. Thanks, it's for today's video, folks. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, you don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting hacking tutorials. Stay safe and stay secure.